Let's be real. The stock market always felt like a puzzle I'd never solve. I stuck to what I knew: novelty hats, instant noodles, anything but stocks. But then AI trading started making headlines. Suddenly it wasn't just for Wall Street pros, the pitch. Let a tireless algorithm handle the stress, make data-driven decisions, and skip the panic. It sounded like hiring a genius who never sleeps. So, I took the plunge, $1,000 1 week, and a platform called AlgoVest AI. The setup was easy, but my nerves were shot. Was I about to become a financial pioneer or just toast my savings? My wife just shrugged. At least it'll make a good story. With a deep breath, I hit the button. The experiment began. I was equal parts excited and terrified. Would this robot make me rich or just make me a cautionary tale? Monday morning, I woke up buzzing, then checked the app. Nothing. My $1,000 just sat there. Was it broken? Did I mess up? I refreshed the screen every 10 minutes. Hours passed. Still nothing. Maybe the AI decided my best move was to do nothing at all. Then, finally, trade executed. The AI bought shares in a renewable energy company I'd never heard of. No explanation, just a cold, calculated move. By day's end, it made 2 more trades: biotech and drone logistics. My portfolio looked like a sci-fi movie. I was up $3.50, not much, but not a loss. I felt oddly proud. My robot was working. We were in business. I went to bed feeling like a confused budget Gordon Gekko. The AI was silent, but it was moving. I realized, trusting a robot means embracing the unknown. Tuesday, my balance dipped to $985. Panic set in. My first instinct was to sell, but the AI, it bought more of the falling stock. I was baffled. It ignored headlines, ignored fear, and doubled down. Wednesday was chaos. The AI traded rapidly, selling biotech for a profit, buying plant-based packaging, scalping tiny gains. My balance swung wildly, up to $1,040, down to $1,015. I'd never trade like this. I'd be a wreck. By Thursday, I stopped trying to understand the strategy. The AI played a different game, sometimes holding losers, sometimes selling winners. It was humbling. My emotions drove my instincts. The AI just followed the numbers. I learned the market is noise, and the AI doesn't care about stories. It just trades. I started to let go. Maybe that was the point. Friday, the final day. My balance hovered at $1,025. I expected the AI to play it safe. Instead, it made a huge bet on Pixel Forge Games, a company in crisis after bad news. The stock had crashed. Every headline screamed, "Sell." I would have run for the hills. The AI, it bought the dip hard. I was sure this was the end. My gains wiped out. The stock kept falling. My portfolio shrank. Then suddenly, analysts called the panic an overreaction. The price rebounded. By day's end, the AI's risky move paid off. My balance jumped. The robot had outplayed my instincts. Sometimes the best move is the one that feels wrong. The AI proved it. Final tally, $1,084.21. An 8.4% gain in a week. Not life-changing, but impressive. The real lesson? Emotion is the enemy of smart investing. The AI's Friday move showed me data beats drama. My advice? Start small, use money you can lose, and let the AI work. Don't micromanage, trust the process. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a tool. Would I do it again? Absolutely. My robot's still trading. I'm not betting the house, but I'm watching. For regular folks like me, AI takes the fear out of finance. Now I can focus on more important things, like which Lego set to buy next.